Hi guys, Clevedon today for the charity shops. Just 3 items. This one is clearly a little radio controlled car. Obviously no transmitter, there never is. Got 2 little holes there, that's its charging point. So we're going to have to take this one apart, see what sort of batteries it's got inside, see what sort of charge it needs, and see if we can work out what frequency it works on. So we'll have to have a look at that, separate video. Next, this little flywheel driven car. Not much of a flywheel on it. It's got a gear there, or teeth, and a rubber wheel. It looks very much like these ones. Gear and rubber wheel. And these ones, which I got quite a while ago, work off of this thing, clip them in, wind them up and release them, and you can see they do look very similar, except the gear's on the opposite side, and it doesn't fit, so it's not that one. The other thing I wondered was whether it would work with this one that I picked up a while ago. This one's battery powered, put a battery in it and it spins up that wheel there. So you could hold it on there and it would spin it up, but it's totally the wrong thing. So I bought this. Cost me 50p, well in fact the 2 together cost me £1. But it's another one of those ones you need the right launching pad to get it going. So useless really. I suppose we could take it apart, just have a look, see if it's got a flywheel tucked in there somewhere, because I think that's what that gear drives. So we'll do that sometime, just have a quick look inside. And then finally, just a computer microphone. I did think I might give it a try, just see if it improves my audio on anything. I could always put something furry over there to stop the wind noise and just plug it into my camera. See if we can cut down the wind noise. So that's just a thought. It was only £1.49, so I thought it was worth buying anyway. So that's it. Not a lot, and I'll have to do some separate videos to take these apart and have a look at them. I suspect I could just take this one apart and add it to the end of this video. I don't expect to find very much in it. It is a Hotwheels. Right, okay, so that's the front bit of the body. There's our flywheel. That's actually quite a bit bigger than I expected. Got a A bit of fluff in there that we can clean out. I bet we can't get it apart because the wheels are going to stop us. Yeah, we'd have to boil it up to release the wheels off the shaft. We can get it apart enough just to get that out. Yeah. That one's fixed in place. I think that's just a stud, metal stud, pushed into the plastic. Looks like somebody spilt their coffee on it or something. Right, well, just a quick recap. I'm not going to pull it apart because to get it apart I'll need to get those wheels off the shafts, and they're a push fit, probably over the knurled ends that stop them spinning. I could get them off if I heated them up, but if I push them back again they won't have the same grip anymore onto the shaft. I might just be able to get this in there. What I can see is we've got the plastic casing, but there is actually white plastic, probably nylon bushes, actually on the shaft or the axle where it goes through that plastic. Which is probably a better bearing surface than the plastic bodywork. Right, pop that back in place. So we've got big gear there, big gear there, small gear there. So each turn of the wheel turns the flywheel several turns. If we go by that little mark there, that's 1, 2. Yeah, it's a 3 to 1. So 3 turns of the wheel, sorry, 1 turn of the wheel gives 3 turns of the flywheel. Right, well, not much else we can do there without breaking it. So without the proper launching mechanism, this one's really not much use. Just decorative toy. I've just noticed that these wheels don't even touch the ground, because that one's the one that does the drive. So I could have pulled them off and it wouldn't actually have made any difference, because they don't grip on anything. But I'll leave it now, because if I boil them they tend to discolour. They'll go a light grey instead of the black. That'll do.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.